Custom Design Build and Remodel, led by contractor Ernie Merrill, can transform your home into something you really like from something that was really popular 20 plus years ago. Sometimes homes are built with the simplest plan and the cheapest materials, only to increase the builder's margins. Custom Design Build and Remodel recognizes a need for a kitchen remodeling contractor that will listen first, then remodel based on the customer's ideas. We all spend a lot of time in the kitchen. It's the backdrop to some pretty important memories. That's why we believe it needs to be really special, well thought out, well crafted, and filled with materials that will stand the test of time. When you contact our team for a free consultation, you'll get your questions answered, along with the approximate range based on what you're wanting to do. Whether you're wanting to refresh your kitchen or rip everything down to the studs and start over completely, Custom Design Build and Remodel can and will do it for you.
Customers are Mr. and Mrs. Homeowner, someone who has been in their home for a while or maybe even recently purchased their home, and they're looking to upgrade their electrical, their plumbing, their air conditioning, their cabinetry, their bathroom, their kitchen, and possibly an even complete home remodel. That's our customer.
We do multi-million-dollar homes to houses that are just redoing a bathroom. So it's kind of all over the board with Ernie because he is so talented in what he can do.
Someone working with Ernie, they're living in a home that is 15 to 40 years old. He's really great at coming in, working with you on your vision, going through the rooms, making suggestions. I'm actually very excited about the suggestions that he's made for us that I hadn't even considered. And he'll just take your vision and just make it this amazing thing.
So once someone gives us a call, then we assess what their wants are and their needs. And then from there, we'll assign it to a designer, and the designer can come out to your home, take measurements, take pictures, and determine what you want. And then from that information, we can price it out and give you a firm bid price to do your job. So it's a customized price, customized project.
I think the one thing in Arizona, there are so many builders out there, and homeowners have to be really aware of who they're working with. You want to make sure they're all licensed and bonded, which Ernie is. He also is, like I said at the beginning, just a really good guy. I really trust him with certain projects. A lot of other construction industry, people in the construction industry, I don't want to say not that they're scamming per se, but he's just a really fair guy. Like when he comes out to bid a job, you're going to get the best price with Ernie. He's not going to take you. And I really think that's a class act. And that's why I prefer working with him over some of the other builders here in Arizona.
The fact that we are licensed, bonded, and fully insured by the Register of Contractors. We are members of the Better Business Bureau with an A+ rating. We are members of the National Kitchen and Bath Association and the National Remodeling Association. I've got 40 plus years of experience. I've been doing this all my adult life, and we would love to serve a homeowner and their needs and build the remodel project to the way that they would like it.
Custom Design Build and Remodel, led by contractor Ernie Merrill, is the Phoenix area's premier design build contractor. You have a vision of what you want done. Our team can get you there. From the demo to the final walkthrough, our team will be there every step of the way. If your home is 20 plus years old, it might be time to refresh your bathroom. And if your home was built in a way that doesn't allow for a new master bath and you need an addition, we can handle that for you too. The professionals at Custom Design Build and Remodel will listen to your concerns first, then formulate a plan to build the bathroom of your dreams. We utilize the latest in technology and quality materials. Bathrooms, kitchens, and whole house remodels are our specialty. Call us for a free consultation and tell us how far you want to go. Bathrooms and kitchens sell houses, but there's no reason that you can't enjoy them now. Call us. We are Custom Design Build and Remodel.
So a lot of times when I meet individuals, my own clients, I'll refer them to Ernie because of his skill set. He really can build a house. I mean, he can do everything. And nowadays it's hard to find someone that can do everything, everything from electric to plumbing, to flooring, to paint, like everything. He's a one-stop shop. And so it's nice to work with him. And I refer him a lot to clients that have a lot going on. So that way I don't have to personally have so many people, one person doing the electric, one person doing the plumbing. Like it's with Ernie, he can do it all. And I think that is a huge benefit to homeowners and also people in my position being a designer. It makes the project flow a lot easier dealing with one person who's an expert on everything.
And he's got a full list of trusted contractors that he's working with. And the fact that he's so committed to quality, I have no qualms whatsoever in working with him. And I've had some very interesting relationships with other contractors that I would just never approach and never refer. And I have absolutely no hesitation in referring Ernie.
In regards to him and his integrity and what he does is phenomenal. He stays on top of the job. He makes sure that the job gets done. I can't imagine if we went with the other person that we were going to go with. I've heard horror stories about construction right now and just construction in general, not even now with the supply chain issue. And I can't imagine the anxiety and stress we would have had if we went with another person.
I think the thing with Ernie is he's honestly just a nice guy. I think that's my favorite part of working with him. You know, a lot of times in the construction industry, it's mostly men, not a lot of women that I deal with. And he's just a nice guy. That's all I can say.